Hello students. So students, I hope all of you are fine, right? And you are revising regularly whatever is done in your online classes. I hope that you are practicing maths, whatever is being done in the videos. Okay, so today we will be doing 1 can 3h. Okay, 1 can 3h. These are fill in the blanks. So to start it, we must know something first of all. So what? See, first of all we need to know what are tens. Tens means what? Tens means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are all tens, right? These are all tens. Okay. Now here in 1 can 3h, what we do is, you see that to subtract tens, what we do? So students, I hope that all of you know this one is called what? This one is called subtrahend, right? I have told in the earlier classes, and this one is minuend, right? This one is minuend. Okay students, this one is subtrahend and this one is minuend. Okay, so to subtract tens, these are tens, 10, 20, these are tens. So to subtract 10 from the minuend, this is a minuend. So to subtract 10 from the minuend, what we do? We decrease the digit in the minuend by 1 when it is 10. Okay, when it is 10. To subtract tens, what we do? We decrease the digit in the minuend by 1 when it is 10. Like this it will continue. When it is 20, we will decrease by 2. Okay, we will decrease by 2. Then like this it will go on. When it is 30, we will decrease by 3. Okay, like this it will go on. To subtract tens, what we do? We decrease the digit in the minuend. The tens place digit. Okay, the tens place digit. Okay, all of you. The tens place digit. What we will do? I'll repeat it again. To subtract tens, what we do? We decrease the tens place digit in the minuend. Okay, in the minuend by 1 when it is 10, and like this it will go on continue. When it is 20, we will decrease by 2. When it is 30, we will decrease by 3. The tens place digit in the minuend. Okay, when it is 40, we will decrease by 4, like this. Okay, so you see here 45 minus 10. What I told you? We will decrease, it is 10, so we will decrease by 1. Which one? The tens place digit in the minuend. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So here 3 and 5 will be same. I told you only from the number, if it is subtracted by 10, we will decrease the tens place digit by 1. Okay. Then when it is 20, what we will do? This is tens place, 1's tens. So this tens place digit you will subtract by 2, right? We will subtract by 2. So 5 minus 2 is how much? 5. From 5, 2 cancel. How many remains? 3. So your answer is 7, 3, 6. Okay students, I hope that all of you have understood. Now how to do for 100? Okay, for 100's place how to do? So you see, now for 100's I am explaining. To subtract 100, what we do? We decrease the hundredths place digit subtract 100, we decrease the hundreds place digit by how much? 1. Okay, we decrease the hundreds place digit by 1 when it is 100, when it is 100, when it is 200, like this it will go on. Similarly, like tens, when it is 200, we will decrease by 2. We will decrease the hundreds place. Remember, we will decrease the hundreds place by 2. Then when it is 300, we will decrease it by 3. Okay, like this it will go on. When it is 400, we will decrease by 4. When it is 500, we will decrease by 5. So let's do this one. Okay, first one is 723 minus 100. 100 means we will decrease by 1. Which one? Hundreds place digit. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds place digit. So if you decrease 7 minus 1 is how much? 6. From 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7, you decrease 1. How many remains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will write 623. Simply like this. Okay. Then you see 482 minus 200. 200 means we will decrease the hundreds place by 2. So this one, 4 minus 2 is how much? 4. 2 cancel, then 2. So here will be 282. Okay. You will write simply like this. Just you will decrease whatever hundreds will be given. You will decrease that number. So 500 means we will decrease by 5. So 6 minus 5 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 you cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 550. Simply like this you will write. So 800 minus 700. 700 means we will decrease by 7. Which one? The hundreds place digit. So 8 minus 7 is 1. Right? So 100. Okay. Then 254 minus 100. So 100 means 1. We will decrease by 1. Which place? Hundreds place digit in the minuend. So 2 minus 1 is 154. Okay. Then 368 minus 200. Like before, 200 means decrease by 2. Which one? This one. So 3 minus 2 is from 3. 2 cancel. How many remains? 1. So you will write 168. Okay. Then 580 minus 400. So 400 means decrease by 4. Only the hundreds place, remember. Others all will remain same. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So 180. Okay. Then 900 minus 400. So 400 means how much? We will decrease by 4. This one hundreds place of the minuend. So 9 minus 4 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So 500. So students, you see, I have told you. So I will repeat it again. Listen it very carefully. So you see, in our previous classes, I have told you that this is the minuend and this is the subtrahend, right? So to do our 1 can 3, how to fill up the blanks? So we need to know all this. So what are tens? Tens are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So to subtract tens, what we do? To subtract tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, what we do? Suppose we will subtract 10 from this number. So we will decrease the tens place digit. If it is tens, we will decrease the tens place digit, okay, of the minuend. We will decrease the tens place digit of the minuend. So 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. So like this it will go on. And to subtract hundreds, we decrease the hundreds place digit, okay. If it is 100, we decrease by 1. If it is 200, we decrease by 2. If it is 300, we decrease by 3. So it will go on like this. So students, that's all for today. We have solved our 1 can 3h. So do it very carefully. Thank you.